Morning folks, it's another frosty January morning. I just want to shoot a very short video this morning just to take you around our Defender Ultimate audio package again. So as you're probably aware, we've got three packages at the moment. It's just turned 2020. We have the standard audio package, the premium audio package and the ultimate audio package. So this vehicle's just been equipped with the ultimate audio package. It's also had some security upgrades, but the focus of this short video is just to take you around the ultimate upgrade, just to clear up the specification. So as we come around to the inside of the Defender, we'll see the infamous Focal ES100Ks. So they are the two-way 4-inch components from Focal, one of their top-of-the-range speakers, fabulous sounding. You've got the tweeter in the top of the dash there in a standard location. And then underneath the dash, again in a standard location, we've got the 4-inch mid-range. Located within the dash, we've got the passive crossover, and that deals with the task of splitting the frequencies between the 4-inch mid-range and the tweeter in the top of the dash. The crossover point is around about 2,500 hertz, which is fairly standard really. Then the thing that sets the Ultimate Hi-Fi apart from the Premium Hi-Fi is the fact that we had a mid-bass woofer in the front of the seat box here. So again, it's a Focal 6.5-inch mid-bass driver. When we install that into the seat box, we soundproof the whole of the seat box. So you can see the soundproofing here. You can see the soundproofing on the lid of the seat box, which is lying on the floor. You can't see it too clearly, but we've soundproofed as much as the inside of the seat box as we can as well. The reason for this is we are trying to create the best enclosure we possibly can for that 6.5-inch mid-bass driver. In the back, we've got the JL Audio CP106 passive subwoofer. So that's a 6-inch drive unit in a reflex enclosure. Don't let the size fool you, it's a 6-inch speaker. It is incredibly effective. The reason why it's located in the position it is with the straps is so it's easily removable. Because this is a 110, the seats will flick forward. We can take this out if we want to. If this were a 90, then the subwoofer would be mounted on the back of the centre console where this fire extinguisher is mounted. So on a 110, it's always underneath the back seat there, so it's easily removable. Okay, now when you've got a 4-inch speaker in a dashboard and a woofer in the back, you've got to think really carefully about your crossover frequencies. So for these to play efficiently, we can't run them below 150 hertz. So that means if we don't want a gap in our frequency response, we've got to run the woofer up to 150 hertz. And we don't want a woofer or a subwoofer, which is behind you, running up to 150 hertz, because the bass is going to become really directional. You're going to hear the notes coming from behind. That's why we introduce the 6.5-inch woofer here to fill in that frequency response. So this is going to run from about 60 hertz up to 150. These run 150 hertz upwards. The woofer in the back runs 60 hertz and down. The whole system is driven from a 5-channel amplifier. So that's the JL Audio XD705. The mono channel runs the woofer in the back. 2 stereo channels run the woofers in the seat box in a bandpass formation. 2 channels run the mids and tweeters in the front. Passively, we call it active passive because it's an active high pass filter at 150 hertz. Then it's a passive filter between the 2 drivers, set to around about 2,500 hertz. In the back for rear fill, we've used Focal 5.25-inch coaxials. That's a new thing. We upgraded this system in 2020. We're away from the Alpines in the back and over to the Focals. This vehicle is just using a standard Alpine head unit. There's also a little bit of confusion there sometimes, so just to make it absolutely clear, the Ultimate Hi-Fi, the Premium Hi-Fi and the Standard Hi-Fi do not include the head unit. The head unit is a separate option altogether. So there, hopefully that's helped. If you'd like more information on any of these systems, please don't hesitate to get in touch. They are detailed on our website. We've also now got a couple of free videos based around the audio side of things. But by all means, give us a shout. Sales at Audiofile-Incar.co.uk or www.audiofile-incar.co.uk. Telephone number 01279 757 218. We're all very friendly and we'd love to talk to you. Incidentally, this vehicle's also had our immobiliser and cruise control. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and perhaps give us a like.